Hello everybody, Lon from the Attic here. Just want to make a quick unboxing slash unpacking. This is a package that we got from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and just open it up. I do have an idea of what it is. Pretty sure it is it's a t-shirt that I had ordered on Prime Day. So let me go ahead and take it out of the package. Yeah, so as you can see, this is the as you can see on the package, this is the black extra large. Here is where you can catch the tag. I have ordered these in the past and I'm a fan of the quality, so pretty much wanted to order them again. This is a 2-pack. It was on sale. I got it for slightly less than that, and yeah, it was a good deal in my opinions on Prime Day, so I decided to pull the trigger, make the purchase. This shirt I have acquired in the past, and I wanted to get them again because I am a fan. I like the thickness of the shirt. Last time what I'd gotten, I was a fan of the quality from personal experience. The only complaint I have is that like lint is very visible once you are wearing these. That's the only issue that I have with these, but other than that, I like the collar. I like the thickness, like compared to your just average Gildan regular, some say even Port and Company. It's definitely thicker than Port and Company as well. So yeah, definitely wanted to get this is an XL. Last time I've gotten a double XL. I just wanted to test these out, if I do start to cut a bit. So yeah, same as before, no complaints. I like the thickness. I know it might shrink a little bit maybe after a few washes, but the last ones, I personally like them, so definitely wanted to order them again and pretty much just show you guys how they looked in hand. And yeah, that's all I have for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and definitely like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching.